Hello, we're at Disney's Boardwalk, room 1106. This is a preferred view studio. This one happens to be on the ground floor. Every single DVC room has a balcony, or if you happen to be on the first floor, you do have a patio. Nice little kitchenette. Bathroom. Have a nice sized closet right here. You have a pull down couch underneath the television. That folds down and there's a Murphy style bed under there. What's also nice is I've never seen this before. There is a little dresser here with pull out shelves. And they're the nice self-closing ones, which is nice. This room sleeps up to 5 people plus an infant. This is right by the DVC pool. It's the quiet pool. So that means there is not a big slide here. This is not one of the featured pools. This is just one of the quiet pools. We got nice patio out here. It is an absolute beautiful day here. It's currently about 72, it's sunny, it's gorgeous out. It's the beginning of February. And also this bed pulls out into a sleeper sofa. So you've got 2 people who could sleep in the bed, 2 people in the sleeper sofa, 2 people could sleep in the regular bed, and then you've got another one for underneath the television. And again, it's about twin size beds, so it's good for a child, or truthfully, I've seen adults. I could fit on there. I'm 6'1". I wouldn't be comfortable really sleeping on there for a long time, but I definitely could fit on there. So beautiful room, absolutely love Boardwalk. Fantastic location, tons of stuff to do. It's an absolutely great, great resort. Thank you very much for watching. If you'd like to find out how to book this room for about half of what Disney charges, please visit us at www.dvc-rental.com. Please don't forget that hyphen in there. Or if you're interested in becoming a Disney Vacation Club member and you'd like to make Boardwalk your home resort, please reach out to us at www.buyandsellDVC.com. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day.